Going live. Hello, everyone. This is Jabril Suleiman, and this is your weekly newsletter wrap up from Incluzion. This is where I go over our newsletter on Wednesday normally, but it's Thursday. It's Thursday night. It's a little later than normal, but hey, hope you all catch the recap, the resummary, the replay, and share this video. Definitely check out any of the jobs and great articles that's listed in the newsletter as well, and subscribe to the newsletter if you choose to do so. So let's jump right into it. Of course, with our newsletter, we highlight articles that relate to remote work, freelancing, remote jobs, and everything else that's remote related. So let's get into it here. We do have still a few remote jobs that are out there. We have remote jobs that are added constantly every day on the Incluzion remote jobs board. But of course, we have a few jobs that we particularly want to highlight. So Say Yeah is still looking for a UX developer on a 6-month contract. So that job is up there on the board. Wikimedia Foundation, they're still looking for a recruiter, a contract recruiter. These are all remote positions. Planet Argon is still looking for a mid-level Ruby on Rails and React developer. We have a freelance position out there, Client Success Manager. This is a project-based position. They have a $3,000 budget that they're starting at, and they're looking for someone that can help with client success and work as an associate coach. We have a client that's still looking for a technical writer for API documentation. So if you know how to write the perfect API documentation, then this job may be for you. Next, Parsons TKO is still looking for a digital marketing lead. So this is a great opportunity. The position starts between $50,000 and $65,000 a year for this remote position. Who else? So Timescale is looking for a strategic customer service manager still, in their customer care department. So check out this opportunity, this remote opportunity if you're interested. And Mediavine. Mediavine is one of our top level job posters, sponsors, because they also listed a video that talks about their diverse and inclusiveness. And so check out that video in one of our past Inclusion Flexwork TV episodes as well. But they're still looking. This is a $110,000 to $130,000 position for a senior front-end engineer with a specialty in TypeScript. So let's jump into the newsletter. So of course we have lots more jobs that are posted in the newsletter and on the remote jobs board as well. Around the web. So there's this cool little app out here called Lili. They have raised another $15 million to expand their services. They provide tracking tools and some many other things. And they link into your Cash App or Google Pay and Venmo. So that's a cool little app that you might want to check out. Over in Europe, a fund has been raised for $1 million to show that freelancers are people who we care about. And so in this case, they're raising a fund to help out freelancers in the midst of COVID who have lost wages due to COVID. And in our remote work, freelancing, and productivity section, we still talk about Lili again. This is a great little app. And also there's a great article on the 7 fundamental freelancing tips for developers, focusing on your skill set. I mean, taking that first step forward, right? So definitely check that out as well. And lastly, I want to give another plug for Incluzion Freelance. This is our Fiverr-styled marketplace that allows for freelancers, for Black and brown freelancers to exhibit their talents and their services. Ever since we've launched this, lots of freelancers have joined. They've listed their services, small and large, high and low. So definitely, if you're a freelancer, if you want to list your services, check it out. We set up an easy domain for you to get to this site. Just go to blackfiverr.com, and this will take you directly to Incluzion Freelance. And other than that, hey, that's it. I'll see you all next week. Definitely check out Incluzion. Check out Incluzion Learning as well if you are looking to monetize courses directed at diverse communities. Also, don't forget, if you are hiring and you need to get visibility in front of a diverse network, go to incluzion.com, post a job. We'll get it out there just like we're getting all of these great opportunities out there in front of Black and Latinx professionals who love working remotely. All right, until next week, I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.